الله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعد أما بعد. Good evening one and all present here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to express my thoughts on the importance of English. Dear friends, in today's era, the importance of the English language cannot be denied. English is an international language and the most effective medium of communication worldwide. People from different countries around the world communicate with each other in English. Most content on the internet and social media is in English, so those who know the language can keep pace with the world. And there is no doubt in saying that at this time only English is the global language. Therefore, we should start to learn English in an excellent and effective manner so that we can convey the message of Islam to the entire world in the best possible way. That's all I had to say. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.